These are the S-Ray 3-pack of the Lightning cables right here. This is a 3-foot cable that I have. Now these are here are Apple MFI certified. They also have a nylon cable to help it avoid kind of getting all tangled up and also like kind of like getting kind of bent and everything else and ruining the cable. That's why I really like the nylon wrapped ones because they're super easy to use. But this is 3 foot of cable all together. You get 3 of these in a pack with them, so you can kind of see how nice and long that 3-foot cable right there can be. Now, this right here is going to work on most of the Apple devices out there that have the cord. So that's like in your Apple 13s, your iPhone 13s, all the way down to like the XS. Most of them, pretty much all of them, have the same type of cable with them. But these here are MFI certified phone charging cables too as well, and you get a 3-foot cord with this right here inside of the 3-pack. So you can use this here for your iPod, your iPhone, or your iPad, and I hope you enjoy it as well.